Today we are going to learn a very interesting thing today. Today we are going to learn how to download VLC. A lot of people go to friends and family for VLC on their pen drives, but okay, so you first of all go to your internet application on your computer. I have Chrome here. I'll double click Chrome. Okay, so Chrome had now open. We are going to search um VLC download. So you press VLC download and you double click it. Good. So then this is the site. You go to download VLC media, the free latest version, and you click it. So this is what is going to come. Then you download the free for your PC. You click on the green button and your downloading has started. Okay, so now it's done. So you press on the relaunch and you realize that it's downloading here. This is the download. We are getting to the latter part of bottom part of the Chrome. You realize that the downloading is here and it's finished. You can also go to, there's a 3 dots at the right corner side of the Chrome, the 3 dots. You can press it and go to your downloads and you realize that the VLC have been downloaded and to download. So you show in folder. So then this is what will pop up. Download and install. So you download and you accept and so then you realize that the VLC had pop up. Okay, so you would want to close all the interface you've opened, then you press OK. Then this is how the setup is. Then you press next, next, and you press install. So VLC appears to be running and will now be closed. Okay, so you press OK. Okay, so then you press OK and the installation starts. Okay, so now the VLC had been downloaded, so you press finish and voila! You go to your desktop and you see that the VLC is showing boldly. So you can close it and you can also use it as well to show on your desktop.